Once upon a time, there was a forest where many rabbits lived happily. They played together every day in the open fields. One day, a hungry wolf came into that area. He saw many rabbits playing and became very happy. From that day on, he started coming daily and ate 1 or 2 rabbits. The rabbits became very worried and scared. They stopped playing freely and lived in fear. One day, all the rabbits went to an old and wise rabbit for help. The old rabbit listened carefully and gave them a clever idea. He said, "Dig a deep pit in the ground, cover it with leaves and grass, then play around it as usual." The rabbits followed his advice. They dug a deep pit and covered it with dry leaves. Then they started playing near it. When the wolf came, he saw the rabbits playing happily. He ran quickly to catch them. But suddenly, he fell into the hidden pit. The wolf could not get out. The rabbits were finally safe. After that, they started playing happily again in the forest, just like before. They were no longer afraid of the wolf.